This video will show you how teachers at Britannia Village Primary School can plan an educational visit in under 2.5 minutes using this online Google form and a little bit of Google Witchcraft and Wizardry. So let's imagine I'm a Year 5 teacher taking my students to the Science Museum, and we are going to go on the 8th of April because that is in Easter, so it'll be easier for you to see on our shared Google Calendar. I'm going to paste the route overview in here, but this includes things like the trains we're going to get and the timings and the things that we would normally put on a risk assessment anyway. I'm going to say we do require packed lunches and ask for 23 so that the kitchen staff know not to cook dinner for Year 5 that day and instead make 23 lunches. I'm going to say we don't need a member of support staff, and then here I need to include why we're going on the visit. So I've said we'll be learning about the history of computing, visit the Information Age Gallery, blah blah blah, and this information will get sent out to parents, and then click submit and it's done. And now you just have to wait for the Google Witchcraft and Wizardry to work in the background and you'll see what happens. So there you can see it's created an all-day event, Year 5 out on a visit to the Science Museum. It's taken all of the route information that we put into the form and put that in the event description. It's also created a risk assessment and added links and a letter to parent link and a dinner request link so anyone can access those easily. All of those are saved in a new folder that is just created in our shared drive. So here is the letter for parents, and this is made from a template. And as you can see, it's got today's date, and then it's got information about where we're going, what date, and then this is the information that we wrote about why we're going, so don't write blah blah blah. Then it's also got the packed lunch request that will go to the kitchen staff, telling them which day we'll be out and how many lunches we need. And then it's also got a risk assessment with all of the details and the risks and the students who need medication, etc. And then also it creates a draft in my school Gmail account with all those documents attached that I can just click send, and that will go out to all of the relevant teachers and staff. So that is how teachers at Britannia Village can plan an educational visit in under 2.5 minutes. And if you'd like to find out how you could maybe use some of the Google Witchcraft and Wizardry, then click the link. It's actually AppScript, it's not magic.